this video, I'm going to show you how to do a masking tape painting. This is a great project for beginners and so much easier than it looks. You're going to be using a simple design that's great for any space, perfect for beginners who want to give masking tape painting a try. So for this project, we're using the Derivan Student 5-pack and a Derivan brush set. So first up, you just need to start laying down some masking tape or painter's tape into a star design. Make sure it's firmly attached. And now what you want to do is you want to just put a little bit of polymer gloss varnish over the top of it. And what this does is it stops the paint from tearing when you pull it up. So it gives you a nice sharp line. Now it's time to mix up your colour palette. It's always a good idea to, if you're doing a small painting like this, to have all your colours already mixed so you're ready to go. It also gives you the opportunity to have a look at the colours next to each other and make some colour mixing decisions before you start your work. Now it's time to lay down the colours. Follow along. You can make your own decisions or you can copy what we're doing. got a beautiful abstract using masking tape and Derivan Student Acrylic.